When it comes to increasing your home's value, many homeowners in Dallas focus on renovations like kitchen upgrades or landscaping. However, one often overlooked improvement that can make a significant impact is replacing your doors. Whether it's your front entryway or interior doors, a door replacement can enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and boost security, all factors that increase property value. Why door replacement matters for home value. Your doors are one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn out, outdated, or damaged door can leave a negative impression on potential buyers. On the other hand, a stylish, modern, and well-maintained door adds to the home's aesthetic appeal, making it more attractive to buyers. Here are a few ways a door replacement can boost your property value. Boosts curb appeal. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in a home's value, and the front door is a major focal point. A high-quality door replacement can instantly refresh the exterior of your home, making it look more inviting. Stylish options such as solid wood, fiberglass, or steel doors with decorative glass panels or modern hardware can add sophistication and character. A beautiful entryway sets the tone for the rest of the house, which can lead to higher offers from prospective buyers. Improves energy efficiency. Dallas experiences hot summers, so energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. Older doors often have poor insulation, allowing heat to seep inside and increasing cooling costs. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door with proper weather stripping and insulated cores can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing energy bills. Buyers appreciate homes with energy-saving features, making your property more appealing in the real estate market. Enhances security. A strong, well-built door is a key factor in home security. Many older doors may have weakened frames, outdated locks, or flimsy materials that make them easy targets for intruders. A new door with reinforced materials, smart locks, and advanced security features can provide peace of mind for both you and future buyers. Security-conscious buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that offer enhanced protection. Increases home functionality. Replacing interior doors can also add value by improving functionality and aesthetics inside the home. Modern sliding barn doors, French doors, or solid core doors can enhance privacy, reduce noise, and create a more stylish and cohesive interior design. A well-maintained, updated home with high-quality doors signals to buyers that the property has been well cared for. Choosing the right doors for your home. Selecting the right doors for your Dallas home depends on your style preferences, budget, and needs. Here are a few popular options. Fiberglass doors. Durable, energy efficient, and resistant to extreme weather conditions, making them ideal for the Dallas climate. Steel doors. Known for their strength and security, steel doors provide excellent protection and energy efficiency. Wood doors. Classic and elegant, wood doors add warmth and charm to any home but require more maintenance. Glass panel doors. Allow more natural light inside, creating a bright and airy feel while maintaining security with reinforced glass options. Sliding or French doors. Great for patios and backyard access, enhancing both functionality and style. Professional door installation in Dallas. For a successful door replacement, professional installation is essential. Improperly installed doors can lead to drafts, security vulnerabilities, and reduced energy efficiency. Hiring a reputable Dallas door replacement company ensures that your new doors are installed correctly, maximizing their benefits and longevity. Final thought: a door replacement is a simple yet highly effective way to increase your home's value. Whether you want to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or boost security, upgrading your doors can make a lasting impression on potential buyers. If you're considering a home improvement project in Dallas, a door replacement is a smart investment that offers both aesthetic and functional benefits. Ready to elevate your home's value? Contact a trusted door replacement expert in Dallas today.